Okay, so stopped at the Riverside Casino in Laughlin for a little over. Oh, I forgot to do that. I forgot to do that. Resume. Resume. So, so belly's full. Ended up winning about $80. Breakfast was $20. So you know, we're ahead of the game. We ate for free and then we took a couple dollars off of them. So that's good. Fortunately, I didn't make anything for the dealers, which is never good. First roll I had was a great one. I probably hit like, I don't know, 6 or 7 5s, and had I hit, you know, 1 or 2 more would have been wonderful. All right, 68. Being like that. Where's neutral? There it is. All right, well. We're going to go up the hill now. So up the hill, the Kingman. It'll get cooler once we get up the mountain, up the hill, away from the river. Yep, it's probably dropped about 10 degrees since we've come up here. I mean, we're still climbing the hill out of the valley, but that's why the heads are getting hot, but we'll start cooling down here as soon as we get up top, which might be right about here. Union Pass, 3571. So we went up 3,000 feet over about 10 miles, 12 miles. Yep, that's more better. Gas down to $3.30 a gallon. Yay! Premium will be about $1 more. So, you know, yeah. I guess. Why are they? Or is it just because Chevron is Chevron? Wow. Yeah, that's more better. I don't know why they're expensive, but you know, the Mobil's $339. The old Pilot is $339. The TA is $344. That's reasonable. We'll go to get the dinosaur. Where are you, TA? Get some fuel. And yeah. Where is he going? Air? Oh, shut up, Siri. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright, well, full of fuel, full of ice bottles are full again. Let's yeah, so I'm guessing I'll probably get about halfway to my uncle's place. It's hot here. It's probably about 90. Yeah, I guess Chevron's just more expensive than everybody else for some reason. They probably get it in California, but you know, here nobody's going to use Chevron. All right. Let's I don't know how far we got. I think it's like exit 160 or 180 something. Okay, it's 100 miles, 96 miles. Yeah, we'll probably stop somewhere at around 45 minutes or so and re-wet my head sock and, you know, get a drink. Probably be stopping like every 45 minutes or so to just try to cool off a little bit because it's hot. It's hot. Well, we're going up the hill now. We just passed 4,000 feet. I don't know exactly how high we go on this because Flag is like, the Arizona Divide is like 20 miles east of Flagstaff, and it's what? and it's at like 8,000 feet. I mean, by the time you cross, you know, by Needles, you're down in, you know, like around 600. Now we're up to 4,000. Laughlin was at like 610, I think. Something like that. Prescott, I think, is like at 5. What I might do is, depending what time I get into Grand Junction, I might go over to the Harley shop if it's before like 4 o'clock and see if I can get this thing washed. Get all the oil off, and then that way, 5,000 feet. That way I'll have a chance. That way, if it starts seeping again, we'll know that it started clean, and I'll also clean off the inside of the air cleaner again. There was a little bit in there last night when I stopped, but it wasn't terrible. I added about 8 ounces this morning to get it to the bottom of the stick. I stopped in Kingman. It was halfway up. It was basically right between the Q and the U, and add 1 quart, which is good. I'll be back after I get a break here in another, hopefully, 15-20 minutes. Alrighty, see you in a little bit. Alright, coming into Seligman, Arizona. A historic Route 66. I believe this was the first town that started the movement to restore historic 66, including at this exit, the world-famous Roadkill Cafe. Yeah, you kill it, we grill it. You kill it, we grill it. The problem with Seligman is it's like, you know, it's a ways off the expressway. It's probably, what, a mile? Yeah, there's a town there, but yeah, you're on the old routing for a while. Well, maybe. I thought it was further than that. I thought it was more than 2 miles. Alright, I got like 25 miles, I think, still to Ash Fork, which I think where we hit. I don't think it's 89, but it might be 89. I don't know. I can't remember what the state route is that takes me south to Prescott. Next service is like 20 miles probably. Yeah, 22 miles. That's Ash Fork. Chino Valley, Arizona right now. About 20 minutes from the place, and yeah. Kind of the beginning of the this is kind of the beginning of the Prescott metro area, I guess you could call it. This guy's lost. He bought his car in Saco, Maine. Saco, Biddeford. For sale. I don't know if it's a bike or the train. It looks like an old Road King. Back on the Road King, while being on a touring frame, looked completely different from the rest of the touring bikes. Alright, well, we're basically done for the day. I think I got another 3 miles on. I don't want to let you guys see too much where he lives, because that's none of your business. Tomorrow we're going to head back towards Vegas and probably stop for the night in Mesquite. But and then we'll head back via the I-70 corridor, at least through Denver, and I don't know where I'll go from there. So until next time, y'all be safe. That shiny side stays up, that greasy side stays down. We'll catch you in the morning. Later.